um and hey guys, this is 14 March and this is summary for today. And you know what I have um, learned today is that we have this kind of like how do I say this thoughts which are running on background. It just like goes crazy sometimes. Just like for example, when you're like focusing on something, it just comes up as like distraction, and we just kind of have to like um, get on it. And it's like that thing that I mentioned yesterday. It's like you are getting like for example $10 per minute in like by thinking on something, but you are just losing out like $90 per minute in um, thinking about you're losing that. Just you're focusing on that, just because we have this tendency to just get everything aligned. And that's what I have to. And it just it's just very automatic. It just I mean how do I say that? But I'm just trying to figure out how to just manage it. And I just like like this. I think we overthink because we're not able to handle whatever emotion is coming at that time. And like thinking is like a escape from it just like thinking is like an escape for, it's like a avoidance pattern, just to we don't feel like something. And it just starts from, I think, like very early on, like people who has just like think a lot. It's just because of they just want to run away something, and so that's why they just like logically thinking about it. And that's what I do. And sometimes I just like lose a lot by just doing it. And I'm not criticizing it, but I just like it. I just know it's there. And I know just to like fix it. It's not to just like treat it as like bad guy or something, but treat it as a like something. Like it's just like um, it's just like a body part of which I have. Like for example, this hand. I don't think about it like in a bad way. If something goes wrong with it, if it's not helping me in something. And I do think about this emotion as like bad, but I'm like consciously trying to not. But like this is it, we have this, and it just like takes away all the focus. And like I just figured out that it's because of I'm just like avoiding like feeling something. And that's why I just like think about it, just to make the just to not feel that thing. And as mentioned, it's like very hard to just fix it. I think it just try to hard to just feel it and just let it go. It just feels like you're getting hit or something. That's what I feel. And I think that's it for today. I just came out and tried, but didn't happen. But anyway, I'm going to end now. Hope you like this one. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. I mean, this just feels like I'm just avoiding like a lot of things. And I just accept it. Okay, this is it, this is what I'm doing. No need to harm. The only way it's gonna fix it, I just do it consistently and just treat it as a part. But it feels very disheartening when this stuff happens. But I just try my best to not avoid, just stay with it, just feel the uncomfortness. And I think that's the way. Also, there's one thing, I have I've been getting lots of compliment about my looks, and I 100% doubted that it's not about the looks. Like completely, it's just how I believe about myself and how I carry myself. Carry myself is that, but it's just how I believe about myself. Do I think like, because I'm thinking about it more, and I was like this. My style, everything was like this, and I didn't got that much, but recently I have been getting a lot, and it just it just that this it's just this belief that I have that I'm like the best, and this kind of works, but it's like strange sometimes that like we just I mean I think that it's like in two way, like when you believe that you are something, then you just act like it, and people also treat it based on your certainty, that how certain you are about it. And just Tony Robbins cycle, that you just like believe, then you just see the potential first, and then you take action, then you get result, and then you believe it more, and then you see more potential. So I see now more potential about how I am, and it's not the thing. I mean, if I'm not good looking, that's fine, just like fuck it, but this is just what I like, and it's not from avoidance base, but I just take more action on it, I just get more result, and just have more belief about it. But anyway, I'm going to end now. Bye guys.